Good morning, class 7 students. Today is 3rd September and we are studying chapter number 10, that is the respiration in organisms. Children, in the previous lecture, means in lecture number 1, we have discussed about the respiration or the cellular respiration. And we all know that the process of breakdown of food for getting energy which take place inside our the body cells by the help of oxygen is called cellular respiration, and there are two types of respiration, that is anaerobic respiration and aerobic respiration. Children, sometimes in our body also the anaerobic respiration takes place, which is during the heavy exercises, fast running, walking or cycling. So children, during this time the glucose convert into the lactic acids and also release energy, because during this time, means during the heavy exercises, walking, fast running, this time the demand of energy is very high. So children, the anaerobic respiration takes place on that particular time and releases a lot of energy in our body, but the glucose convert into the lactic acid, and due to the accumulation of this lactic acid in our muscles starts cramps, or we are having muscle cramp. So children, for getting the relief from this pain, we must use the hot water. We take the hot water bath or oil massage, hot oil massage. By doing this, the blood circulation at that particular part increases. As a result, the complete breakdown of food occurs, and the lactic acid, it converts into the carbon dioxide, water, and as a result we get relief from the pain of the accumulated lactic acid. But children, today we are going to discuss about a new topic, that is the breathing. Children, for the process of respiration we need energy, sorry, we need oxygen, because in the absence of oxygen sometimes the respirations not takes place. So children, we most of us are do having the aerobic respiration. So children, the process of taking in means inside our body, what, the air which is rich in oxygen. We all know that we inhale which gas, oxygen gas. So children, the taking in the air which is rich in oxygen and giving out the air rich in carbon dioxide, with we release which gas, carbon dioxide gas, with the help of respiratory organs. This complete process is called breathing, means taking in the oxygen rich air and giving out carbon dioxide rich air. This process is called breathing. Children, uh, you have studied in chapter number 2 that key for digestion, for the process of digestion we have some digestive parts, we have some body organs which are related with the digestion. Like that, for the respiration there are some part of our body which are related with it, and these are called respiratory organs, means the organ which are related with the process of respiration, they are called respiratory organs. A term is given to taking in the air which is rich in oxygen. This term is inhalation. Inhalation means taking in of air which is rich in oxygen. This is called inhalation. Means when we are taking the air which is rich in oxygen, this is called inhalation. And when we are giving out the air which is rich in with what, carbon dioxide, means when we are releasing the carbon dioxide gas from our body through our nostrils, this process is called exhalation. Means we inhale oxygen gas, oxygen rich air, and we exhale the carbon dioxide rich air with the help of our respiratory organs. Okay. Children's, breathing is a continuous process which continues till the end of the life. It is a continuous process. Have you imagined that when you stop breathing, what happens? Our life get ends. Okay, so children, breathing is a continuous process, means continuously we are inhaling and exhaling, which is very necessary for our survival. And you have often observed that sometimes our heartbeat increases, sometimes it decreases. Our pulse rate increases and decreases, means sometimes it faster, sometimes is slower. So children, the number of times a person breathe, the number of times a person breathe in a minute is called breathing rate. means एक मिनट में हम जितने बार ब्रीथ करते हैं, that is called breathing rate. Okay, and in average an adult human being at rest मतलब बस आराम नहीं करना, means we are not doing any heavy exercises. So children, and on an average an adult human being at rest breathes in and out. We are taking both the process, we are just counting both the inhalation and exhalation. So children, a normal human being, adult human being at rest breathes in and out 15 to 18 times in a minute. Means we are breathing 15 to 18 times in a minute. But when you do the heavy exercises, the breathing rate increases. It is not uh, same at all the time. Means when we are running or when we are resting, in both the times the breathing rate is not same. So children, when we are doing the heavy exercises, that times